Hello, today we're going to go look at our yellow squash that we've been having all kinds of issues with. This is the first year we've ever tried to grow it, and I'll show you what kind of problems we had early on. Number one, it was the summer, midsummer, so kind of stunted the growth in August. Number two, we've had these worms, caterpillars, tearing up the leaves like that. What they do is they lay their eggs, and then the larvae hatch. It's a moth. Larvae hatches, and then caterpillars, they have to eat something. So this is a good leafy green for them to eat, and that's what they eat. But I took and did some research and found that this stuff called BT Thuricide is a bacteria that they will ingest if you spray it on the leaves. They'll ingest it, and then it'll start to eat them from the inside out and kill them. And I've been using that after rains, and it seems to be giving really good results. Like, you see these leaves, they haven't been touched. And we have a lot of fruit now, or yellow squash, shall I say. Now we'll take the camera on the inside here. Boom. There's one. That one's ready. There's a whole bunch of new ones coming up. So this is a good mature plant here. I'm going to try some other things in the future and then share them with you. I'm going to try to trellis this stuff. Over here we have pumpkins and cantaloupe and watermelon that we're trying to grow, and it's really not doing too well. So we'll see what the cooler months yield for these. Anyhow, that's it for this clip. We're covering yellow squash pretty much. Thanks.